Neuralink was founded by Elon Musk in 2016 with the goal of developing brain-machine interfaces that could help humans merge with artificial intelligence. The company has made significant progress in the field of neural engineering, developing technology that allows electrodes to be implanted into the brain with greater precision and minimal risk. Neuralink is a startup company that aims to create brain-machine interfaces. The technology involves implanting tiny electrodes into the brain to allow it to communicate directly with computers. The technology has the potential to help people with various disabilities, such as paralysis, to control machines using their minds. The idea of connecting our brains to machines may seem like science fiction, but it's actually based on a well-established scientific principle called neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Neuralink's technology works by using tiny electrodes to pick up signals from the brain and transmit them to a computer. The electrodes are so small that they can be implanted with minimal damage to the brain tissue. This technology has been successfully tested on animals, and the company plans to start human trials soon. One of the most notable experiments conducted by Neuralink involved a monkey named Pager. In the experiment, the company implanted a Neuralink device into Pager's brain, allowing him to control a computer cursor with his thoughts. The device used a series of electrodes implanted in Pager's brain to pick up signals associated with his intention to move the cursor. The signals were then transmitted to a computer, which interpreted them and moved the cursor accordingly. Over time, Pager learned to control the cursor with increasing accuracy, demonstrating the potential of Neuralink technology to allow humans to interact with machines using their thoughts. The experiment was a significant milestone for Neuralink and helped to generate excitement about the potential applications of the technology. In addition to the Pager experiment, Neuralink has also conducted successful trials with pigs, demonstrating the safety and efficacy of their technology in a larger animal model. The company plans to conduct human trials in the near future, with the goal of developing brain-machine interfaces that can help people with disabilities and enhance human capabilities. While the technology is still in its early stages, the potential applications of Neuralink technology are vast and exciting. From restoring mobility to people with paralysis to creating new forms of human-computer interaction, the future of Neuralink technology is sure to be filled with innovation and discovery. However, Neuralink's potential goes far beyond just helping people with disabilities. The technology could also be used to enhance human capabilities. For example, it could be used to improve memory or even allow people to communicate telepathically. In conclusion, Neuralink is an exciting technology that has the potential to change the way we interact with machines. By allowing our brains to communicate directly with computers, we could greatly improve the lives of people with disabilities and even enhance human capabilities. While there are still many challenges to overcome, the potential benefits of this technology are enormous. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about the science behind Neuralink.